Hey there, I'm Amy, and I am excited to tell you about a free hour-long workshop that I'll be delivering at the end of May. It's called Activate Your Inner Healer, BodyMind Techniques for a Healthier, Happier You. I'll share some of my favorite tools that I've gathered from over 30 years of practicing meditation and Qigong. In this workshop, we'll talk about 3 pillars to support you as you activate your inner healer. The first is cultivating compassion, which helps you minimize self-criticism and self-sabotage so that you can maximize your self-confidence, set healthy boundaries, and regularly choose to practice self-care. The second pillar is more effectively learning how to manage your mind and your emotions. This helps you shift out of chronic stress, anxiety, and depression so that you can experience healthy optimism, focus, and joy every day. The third is connecting with your chi, or your internal energy, which helps you say goodbye to fatigue and body aches and other health conditions so that you can naturally optimize your health, well-being, and longevity. So are you ready to wake up in the morning with more energy and fewer aches? Are you ready to stop worrying about things over which you absolutely have no control? And are you ready to move beyond that endless loop of self-judgment? If you said yes to any of these questions, then invest an hour of your time with me. You'll learn some easy to implement practical tools for wellness. And since these workshops are live and interactive, you'll have a chance to ask questions. All you need to do is register by clicking on your preferred date below or above. The workshop is completely free. It's you and me and a handful of other like-minded folks getting together for an hour and bouncing around ideas on how to activate our inner healers. I can't tell you the number of times in my life that I've used these concepts and created healthier outcomes for myself. It's been a lot. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this incredible free opportunity and learn a few easy ways to activate your inner healer. Click a date now and come join us. I can't wait to share these ideas with you. I look forward to seeing you then. Bye-bye.